Hello students, let us continue today with chapter 8 percentage. Today we are going to discuss uses of percentage in a day-to-day life. First of all, you need to understand the method to find percentage for any given value. At that time, value in percent will be equal to value in number upon the total of all values into 100. Okay, so we will understand it with the help of questions from exercise 8.2. First question is, a shopkeeper has 124 cycle parts, out of which 8 are defective. What percentage is defective? Now we are given here 8 are defective. It means total defective parts are 8, but total parts of cycle are 124. So we will write here total parts 124. Number of defective parts are 8. So defective in percent, how we will find? Number of defective parts upon total parts into 100. As I told you, the method here, value in percent is value in number upon total value. Like here we are given total parts into 100. So when we will put the values here, it is 8 upon 124 into 100. Okay, so we can cancel it by 4. So it comes here 200 by 31%. 200 by 31% means 614 on 31%. Alright, now third question. On a particular day, out of 40 students of a class, 8 were absent. What percentage of students were present? It means first we will find the number of students present because we are given only 8 were absent. So total students 40. Number of students absent 8. It means rest 40 minus 8 is equal to 32 are present. Now we have to find present percent. So number of students present 32 upon total number of students 40 into 100. So if we divide it by 4, 4 eights and 4 tens. Here 0 will cancel and so we get here 80% answer. It means 80% students were present on that day. Alright, question number 4. The population of a town increases by 10.5% every year. If its present population is 7,95,600, what was the population a year ago? So here present population is 7,95,600. Increase percent per year is 10.5%. So here we will take, let the population of a year ago be X. Now present population is previous year's population, that is X, plus 10.5% of X. Okay, so now present population we are given as 7,95,600. It is equal to X plus 10.5%. When we remove, we write upon 100 of X means into X. Okay, so if we remove decimal also from here, so we will get one more 0 in the denominator. So we get here X plus 105 upon 1000 X. Now if we take LCM in this side, LCM is 1000. So 1000 into X plus 105 into X. So it comes here as 1105 X on 1000. So when we find the value of X here, we will take its multiple, x multiple, to the other side. It becomes 795,600 into 1000 upon 1105. When we reduce by 5, we get here 5 twos are 5 twos and 5 ones are, and here 5 twos are 10 and 2 zeros with it. And when we reduce it here, it is 3600. So 3600 into 200, it becomes 72 with 4 zeros here. Okay, so it is 7,20,000 is the population 1 year ago. Okay, now next question is 36% of the maximum marks are obtained to pass a test. A student got 109 marks and is declared failed by 35 marks. It means if with 109 marks he gets 35 more marks, he will be able to get passing marks. Okay, so here we have to find the maximum marks. So we will take the maximum marks be x. Let the maximum marks be x. Now passing percentage, we are given here 36%. 36% of the maximum marks is required to get passing marks. Now what will be the passing marks is 36% of maximum marks. It means 36% of x. It will come as 36 upon 100x. Okay. Next, according to question, we have passing marks equal to marks scored, that is 109, and how many marks more he required, that is 35. It means passing marks are equal to 109 plus 35. Alright, but here we got passing marks are 36 upon 100x. So it means we can equate them. 36 on 100x, it is equal to marks scored 109 and the marks by which he was failing, that is 35. So we get here 36 on 100x is equal to 144, and we can find x from here. 144 into 100 upon 36. Here 4s are 144. So we get here x is equal to 400. Therefore, maximum marks are 400. Okay, I hope you have understood. Question number 7 is the salary of an employee is increased by 20%. By what percentage should the new salary be reduced to restore the original salary? Means whatever salary he will get after 20%, we have to restore the previous salary only. So for that, what will be the reduction in salary that we have to find? Okay, so here we will take, let the original salary be x. Now when he has 20% increase, it means increase in salary will be 20% of x. 20% of x means 20 on 100 x. 20 on 100 we can reduce, so it becomes here x upon 5. Okay, now what will be the total increased salary? So it will be original salary x plus the increase that he got x on 5. So when we take LCM here, 5 is the LCM, so we get here 5x plus x is equal to 6x on 5. So this is the increased salary and x is the original salary. Okay, now we have a reduction in salary. How much reduction should be there to restore original salary? That we will come to know if we subtract the original from new salary, increased salary. Okay, so when we reduce it, 6x upon 5 minus x. we get here 6x minus 5x upon 5. So we get here x upon 5 should be the reduction in salary. So percentage reduction, how we will find the reduction, that is x upon 5 upon from which we have reduced, that is new salary, the increased salary. So that we have to write in the denominator into 100. So reduction in salary upon the salary from which we have to reduce into 100. So when we solve it, denominator will reciprocate into 100. 5 cancels with 5, x cancels with x, and 6 cancels here. 2 3 is the, and here 50. It means 50 by 3% should be the reduction. 50 by 3 means 16, 2 by 3%. Question number 8 is, out of total monthly income, Mr. Motilal spends 20% on house rent and 60% of rest on household expenses. If he saves rupees 2520 per month, what is his total monthly income? Okay, so here we have all about monthly income. So we will take, let the total monthly income be rupees X. Now we are given that he spends 20% on house rent. So spent on house rent is 20% of monthly income, that is of X. So when we solve it, we get here 20 on 100 X. So we get X, rupees X upon 5 spent on house rent. Now if from total monthly income we subtract house rent, we will get the remainder. So x minus x upon 5 is the remainder. 5 is the LCM, so 5x minus x means 4x upon 5 rupees is the remainder. Now from this remainder we are given 60% of rest on household expenses. So what is household expenses? 60% of remainder. 60% of 4x on 5. Okay. So when we will solve it, it is 60 on 100 into 4x on 5. So here we can reduce, and here 5 ones and 5 12s. So we get here 12x on 25 is the money spent on household expenses. Then it means after spending money on house rent and household expenses, rest he saves. Okay, so what will be saving here? Saving will be equal to remainder 4x on 5 minus the money spent on household, that is 12x on 25. In amount, saving is given to us as rupees 2520. Now we can solve it and find the value of x here. So let us take LCM. 25 will be the LCM. So here we get 5 5s are 25. It means into 5 will be here. So it is 20x minus 12x. It is equal to 2520. So we get here 2520. It is equal to 8x upon 25. So this implies x is equal to 2520 into 25 upon 8. And when we reduce it, 315 into 25, it comes as rupees 7875. So this is the value of x. It means this is the monthly income. Monthly income is equal to rupees 7875. So children, a few questions I have done now. Now you will try till question number 11. So all the questions from 1 to 11 you will do in your registers.